Are you in the market for a modern cruiser but torn between Honda's Rebel 500 and the more powerful Rebel 1100? Today we'll break down these two bikes in every category: design, performance, comfort, features, pricing, and more, to help you decide which Rebel is right for you. Let's get started. Starting with design, both the Rebel 500 and Rebel 1100 share Honda's signature cruiser look: low-slung, minimalist, and modern. The Rebel 500 exudes simplicity, perfect for new riders or those who prefer a clean aesthetic. On the other hand, the Rebel 1100 takes it up a notch with more aggressive styling, a blacked-out engine, and a new SE trim that adds a headlight cowl, bar-end mirrors, and a flare orange metallic paint job. For sheer curb appeal, the Rebel 1100's premium touches make it the clear winner. The Rebel 500 is powered by a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering 46 horsepower and 32 pound-feet of torque. It's perfect for city commutes and light cruising, offering smooth and predictable performance. But if power is what you crave, the Rebel 1100's 1083 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine dwarfs the 500. With 86 horsepower and 72 pound-feet of torque, it's a beast on the open road, capable of handling high-speed cruising with ease. Plus, it comes with Honda's optional dual-clutch transmission for seamless automatic shifting. In terms of raw power and versatility, the Rebel 1100 is in a league of its own. Both bikes offer low seat heights, making them accessible for riders of all sizes. The Rebel 500's 27.2-inch seat height ensures confidence at stops, especially for newer riders. The Rebel 1100's 27.5-inch seat height is slightly higher but still manageable. However, the Rebel 1100 edges ahead with its newly updated seat for 2025, providing better long-distance comfort. The roomy rider triangle and upgraded suspension make it ideal for extended rides. When it comes to features, the Rebel 500 keeps it simple with an easy-to-read LCD display and basic controls. It's straightforward and beginner-friendly. The Rebel 1100 takes things further with a larger instrument screen, throttle-by-wire, Honda RoadSync for smartphone connectivity, cruise control, and multiple ride modes, including standard, rain, and sport. The new USB-C terminal adds even more convenience for 2025. If advanced tech is what you're after, the Rebel 1100 wins this category hands down. Fuel economy is where the Rebel 500 shines. With its smaller engine, it delivers an impressive 67 miles per gallon, making it a cost-effective choice for daily riders. The Rebel 1100, while more powerful, achieves around 48 miles per gallon. It's still respectable but falls short of the 500's efficiency. The Rebel 500 starts at $6,999, making it an affordable entry into the cruiser world. Meanwhile, the Rebel 1100 starts at $9,499, with the SE trim pushing it to $10,999. While the Rebel 1100 offers more features and performance, the Rebel 500 provides incredible value for its price, especially for newer riders or those on a budget. So which Rebel is right for you? If you're a beginner or looking for a lightweight, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly cruiser, the Rebel 500 is an excellent choice. It's easy to handle and perfect for city commuting. But if you want a more powerful, feature-packed bike for long-distance rides and don't mind spending extra, the Rebel 1100 is unbeatable. Its performance, comfort, and advanced tech make it a standout in the cruiser segment. Both the Rebel 500 and Rebel 1100 are fantastic bikes, each catering to different riders. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose and why. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle comparisons. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time.